Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today we are going to learn that how you can online download YouTube videos without any third-party software. As you all know that there is no proper app for downloading YouTube videos. So today I shall show you how easily you can download YouTube videos without any software. First of all, go to a specific video which you want to download.
This is Joe. Say hi, Joe. Hi. He's a project manager. A great one, I might add.
Suppose I want to download this video.
Hello guys, welcome to Geek.
Copy the link of video from URL. Now copied. Then open KeepFit website. This is link. This website might have some ads or spam. Just close them. Paste link here. Link of that YouTube video. You can download from Facebook and other websites. Click on YouTube. Now it's loading. Now this is a link of that specific video which you want to download. Here is option for normal video, HD quality. You can download audio only. So I want to go for normal video. This is ad. You can close it. If this is not working, then go for second. Now this is working. Now I will select the location to save that video. Desktop. I will select desktop. Click save. Now video is getting downloaded. This is a video in MP4. We'll also check in desktop. This one is downloading. After completion, you can play this video. In this way, you can download any video which is on YouTube or Facebook. Now this is downloaded.
Hello guys, welcome to Geek.
In this way, guys, you can download any video which is on YouTube or Facebook or on any website. Thanks guys for watching, learning. Please like our videos and subscribe our channel.